The effects of the pandemic will be felt for years to come, and while cities across the globe are working to deal with COVID-19 and return to a semblance of normalcy, we face a new reality, that what lies ahead is a responsibility for us. We believe that healthy people in healthy places is the fastest way to build a healthy economy.
It should go without saying that the beginning of 2020 changed our world in unimaginable ways. Our USGBC community of leaders steps forward to help. A community that has built LEAD from the ground up, and a community that will never stop pushing all of us to do better. The result of our collective hard work is that we've put in place LEAD Safety First pilot credits.
The Cleaning and Disinfecting Your Space credit requires facilities to create a policy and implement procedures that follow green cleaning best practices. This supports healthy indoor environments and worker safety. A tool to plan for reentry, the Safety First Reenter Your Workspace credit identifies sustainable requirements in building operations and human behavior and also measures progress once the space is occupied. The Building Water System Recommissioning credit integrates recommendations from industry organizations and experts to help building teams reduce the risk that occupants are exposed to degraded water quality. Ensuring that indoor air quality systems are operated as designed is critical. The Managing Indoor Air Quality During COVID-19 credit builds on current LEAD requirements to help determine temporary adjustments to ventilation to minimize the spread of COVID-19 through the air. For those who own or manage buildings, the biggest question when it comes to reoccupying spaces is preparedness. The ARC Reentry credit helps facility teams manage the risk of COVID-19 transmission via a comprehensive integrated process. The Pandemic Planning Credit is intended to help cities and communities prepare for, control, and mitigate the spread of disease during a pandemic. Also at the city and community level, the Social Equity and Pandemic Planning Credit systematically considers equity implications across all phases of the pandemic preparedness planning and response process. USGBC is focused on sharing its recommendations with all projects, regardless of whether they're pursuing LEED certification, in an effort to continue to support economic recovery while also laying the foundation for society to be more sustainable, healthy, and equitable. To learn more about USGBC COVID-19 resources, visit usgbc.org.